Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial on JavaScript message boxes. In this video, we'll explore three essential message boxes: alert box, prompt box, and confirm box. Let's start with the alert box. This type of message box is commonly used to display information or alerts to the user. It's a simple pop-up dialog with a message. Let's do a program. Begin by creating a basic HTML document with heading and a paragraph. The function keyword defines that we're creating a reusable block of code. Name the function myFunction. The function myFunction will display an alert. The code inside the curly braces is executed whenever this function is called. Here, we're using the window.alert method. This built-in JavaScript method displays a modal alert box with a message. In between the quotation marks, we have the message we want to display. In this case, it's I am an alert box. Include a button element in the body section. This creates a clickable button on our web page. The onClick attribute specifies the JavaScript function that should be executed when the user clicks the button. In our code, the value of the onClick attribute is myFunction. This tells the browser that whenever the button is clicked, it should run the myFunction function we defined earlier. Save and open it. You'll see a button that says Try it. Click on the button, and a pop-up window should appear with the message, I am an alert box. Now, let's move on to the prompt box. This message box is used when you need input from the user. It displays a dialog box with a prompt for the user to enter information. Let's create a program. Here we have a HTML document with a heading and an empty paragraph element with the ID demo. This paragraph will be used to display the user input later. Create a button with an onClick attribute. When we click on this button, the function myFunction, which we will create now, will execute. Now, let's move down to the script tag. This is where we'll write the JavaScript code to create the prompt box. Create a function called myFunction. This function will handle creating the prompt and displaying the input. Inside the myFunction, we'll use the prompt method to create the actual prompt box and store the user input in a variable, the value. This will display a prompt box asking the user, what is your name? Use the document.getElementById method to get a reference to the paragraph element with the ID equals demo. We can then set the inner HTML property of that paragraph element to display the message hello, followed by the user's name retrieved from the value variable. Save and run the program. Click on the button, and a pop-up window should appear for you to enter your name. After clicking OK, you will see a message like this. Lastly, let's explore the confirm box. This type of message box is useful for getting user confirmation before proceeding with an action. It displays a dialog with OK and cancelled buttons. Let's do a program. Here, we have a variable declaration var response. This variable will store the user's response from the confirm box. Use the confirm method to create our confirm box. The message displayed in the box is, are you sure you want to continue? Click OK to continue. The alert response line is used to display the value of the response variable in a pop-up alert box. This is useful for demonstrating what value is returned by the confirm method, which will be true if the user clicked OK, and false if the user clicked cancel. And that wraps up our tutorial on JavaScript message boxes. Thank you for watching and happy coding.